OZZ Electric, one of the largest electrical companies in the country, primarily doing work in the GTA.
One of our biggest cost bases is labor, so it's important that our workforce have the tools and the equipment that they need.
We have had tools on site for 3 years that have never been used. We have tools and we have equipment on site that we've been renting for months and months and months that sit there not being used and could have been sent to other sites rather than renting dual amounts of equipment.
It was a bit of a mess. I mean, they would request tools, they would go to purchasing would go in the back, see what was available. We'll talk to the warehouse manager, cobble together some tools that may or may not have worked properly or being sent out without being functional. That was always an issue, you'd lose time.
So we wanted to partner with them. Our on-track has come a long way since 2015 till today, and we wanted to showcase that. We're quite proud of what we've accomplished so far, and we really thought it'd be a great fit.
The key benefit's gonna be being able to pull real data, actual information that is gonna paint a picture of what their projects are looking like, where they need to make improvements, and be able to move the pieces around accordingly so that they could stay ahead of the game.
Looking at what they have, what we have, and how we can marry that together, that was the biggest opportunity that we found.
As soon as the contract was signed, we had meetings with everyone from fleet management to logistics and transportation, and I'm really proud of what we were able to accomplish because it was a lot of work and a lot of planning, and I think it all came together because of the hard work and the efforts of everyone involved.
We needed to implement 59 job sites, their warehouse, and their service trucks, and we wanted to do this in the shortest period of time possible so that it would have the least amount of impact on their business. And that's where we used our total team approach at Hilti, and we deployed the entire division to help with the implementation.
There are 2,700 tools being delivered to over 60 sites in different locations, and all need to be done in 1 week. And this is a big order for us. This requires special delivery service that we don't usually provide on a day-to-day basis. From logistics, in the current COVID scenario, we have availability that has been challenged everywhere. We have the availability of trucks that is challenged everywhere.
So not only do we tag their tools with whatever tag they specify, we also enter the information into their on-track account. And then once we leave their job site, we train the customers, we train everyone in the office, and then we also follow up with them periodically to make sure that they are not having any issues with the software.
Hilti came in with the right number of people to sweep the job, given that we've got 9 floors here to count all the job boxes. They came in with the right amount of people to tag stuff in the offices, to get my fire alarm crew, my security crew, my floors back up and running. 100% satisfied.
Customers love OnTrack. I think a lot of them don't realize how much they need it until we come in and show them what can be done. They love the fact that their guys on site have a lot more power over their own inventory. It also saves the warehouse guy as well because he's not having to field 20 calls a day looking for equipment.
One of the big selling points from my perspective was the professional services that was offered as part of this implementation, and they have really been there throughout the entire process from beginning to end.
What I would recommend to anyone when they're doing their due diligence is to say, am I going to deal with the right solution? So I think Hilti has that. Deal with a company that's going to stand by their product and their services and their technology, and Hilti will do that. And do they have a team that can support it? And they can.
We're building a better future. We want to be a part of the paradigm shift with technology and innovation, and at the same time we have enthusiastic customers. They get excited when they see us on site. We always have something new to show them, something cool, something neat. It almost makes them feel like, you know, they're new at the job and they get to learn and be better at what they do.